Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix flashlight not working on your Android phone. So let's dive right into the solutions. Solution 1. Restart your phone. Sometimes a simple reset is all it takes to fix temporary glitches. Hold down the power button and select restart. This refreshes your system and can restore basic features like the flashlight. Solution 2. Check battery and power saving settings. Check your battery level. If it's low 15%, charge your phone first. Turn off power saving mode. Go to Settings app. Tap on Power Marathon. Tap on Ultra Power Saver. Here disable Ultra Power Saving mode. These modes often restrict features like the flashlight to conserve battery. Solution 3. Use the built-in flashlight shortcut. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open Quick Settings panel. Tap on flashlight icon. If nothing happens, test your hardware. Now go back and open the camera app and try using the flash to take a photo. If the camera flash works, the issue is with your flashlight software. Solution 4. Clear camera app cache and data. Open the Settings app. In Settings app, tap on App Management. Then tap on App List. Here search for Camera app. Tap on Storage and Cache. Select Clear Cache, then Clear Data and confirm. This will not delete your photos, it just reset the app settings. Solution 5. Check for software updates. Sometimes bugs in your system can break flashlight functions. Go to the Settings app. In the Settings app, scroll all the way down and tap on System. Here tap on Software Update. Tap Check for updates and install anything available. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions should get your flashlight back in action. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.